everybody. Today I want to show you an exercise known as segmental strengthening. So it's for our core, and the idea is that we're going to start in this position. So you can take the legs out a bit, keep a little bit of a bend, and then what I'm going to get you to do, it's going to be different for everyone, but I'm going to get you to roll down, start to roll down as much as you can, vertebrae by vertebrae, until you feel a little instability. So that could be your heels coming up, a little bit of a weakness, and at that point I want you to stop. So now what we're going to do is just strengthen that part of the spine. So we're just going to do the tiniest little pulse in that section. So keep your heels anchored. Relax your shoulders and really think kind of that C shape and just keep the movement very small, little pulses. It's going to get fairly intense, and we're going to try to do, even trying to do it up to a minute or anywhere from 50 pulses plus. So just hold here, remind yourself again to relax the neck, throat, shoulders. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Let's try for about 20 more of these. Almost, I can feel it. Okay, great. So just support, roll it up, extend your spine. Take a few breaths here. And then what you can also do too, because sometimes we have different levels of the spine, there's multiple levels that are weaker. So you can try it again and maybe see, okay, we get past this unstable point and we go a little lower till you feel it here, and then we're going to do the same thing. And you can continue that one for about 50 plus reps if you can handle it. Do that a few times a week. See how you feel after a few weeks, and let me know. Thanks for joining me. Bye.